Cloud PC templates can now be tried from an isolated environment by running it in cloud, and for that the YML file can be downloaded from the marketplace in cloudpctemplates.com. If we go to marketplace, the first part is for Cloud PC templates. You can either download the template directly, or if you want to customize, add some additional softwares, that also you can do using the customize option. You have to choose a region and proceed to software. By default, whatever is needed will already be selected, like Olama is needed, Google Chrome is needed, and Node.js is needed. And you can see at the bottom, this is a post install script that will run to set the Cloud PC templates agents there, as well as Olama. So Olama part is here, where it will, after install, it will just do Olama serve and sleep for 20 seconds and then run this model Qwen3 1.7 billion. This is one of the models that will be available, but if you need more models, you can directly run additional run command in the cloud. But initially, this will be the instance will be set up with this model. These are steps just to create the one of the link for cloudpctemplates.com and for getting the folder directly from the repo for all the JS agents. So if I download the template now, go download it, and then I can go to Cloud Formation Stack. I can upload template. Stack is created now, but the instance will be ready in few more seconds because it has to install the other things. This is the EC2 instance. I can directly click on it. And by default on port 80, status application will run. So if I just copy paste this public IP in new tab, it took around 1 minute for this Apache page to appear, and if I reload, now it is running that. Replace that HTML, so it will show this. Please wait while the startup script completes, and once it is complete, you'll be able to see a link here. Sorry, not link, the steps to log into it using the VNC server. Since it was taking more time, so I also did the SSH to the instance, and as you can see, right now it is installing Olama. So this part is running, so we are almost at the last step. If you want to see the content of the file where it shows the status of downloads, you can SSH to the instance and do tail f cloud init output.log, which will be in this folder var log. So you have to do a cd to that folder first and then tail f, and then you will be able to see the status of these scripts being run. So looks like there is some issue occurred cloning into this one. Home is not defined. This is causing an issue. Maybe it looks like a permission issue. Okay, so that time the script had some issues, so I fixed that. I re-downloaded another template after fixing the script from CloudBees templates, and then created a new stack. This one got installed, and this is its EC2 instance output. Install was complete, and it was able to download the model also. We'll verify after from the VNC viewer. So since it is done, and even its IP is passed, so you don't have to log into SSH instance. That one I was just showing, but you can directly get the status directly from your public IP as well. So it says these three are installed, and we'll be able to verify by running this command where our public key is present. In my case, it is in my downloads folder. So I will go to PowerShell terminal, but one thing before that, you have to start the VNC server once. So you can do that after that only. I will do an SSH. I have the public key in this location. Okay, sorry, this is not the location. Downloads folder. Now I can run it. So I have logged in now, and I need to just run VNC server. First time it will ask me to set up a password. and we are done. So I will open VNC viewer in my system. And I have this shortcut, but when you are logging into the first time, you have to enter it here, new connection, and then you have to just enter localhost 5901 because you have created tunnel from the terminal. The command that I ran, that is SSH command, I already have it, so I can just double click on this shortcut. So it got opened, and this is the folder where all the agents are present. This will be by default running. You can go to Chrome and go to cloudbiztemplates.com, and for running the AI part, you need to go to AI chat, and if you go to the last option, Ollama offline model, it is saying not running. So we did Ollama serve from local itself. Okay, do this allow. Okay, yeah, it was not able to check because network access was not allowed. You have to check allowed, but even then it is showing not running. So let me check. If I go to terminal, if this is running. Okay, looks like there is one more part. I have to do this. I will update the script so that even this part is done. Right now, since it is not ready, I'm doing it manually. So what is needed is in Cloud PC templates under AI chat. When I go to this one, this this mode not just expects the Ollama to be running locally, but rather this downloaded the script also, which is a proxy to the local APIs that Ollama provides. So since here it is not running, so I have to do this. But this part I will be updating in the script so that even this will be done. So you just have to go to here and you will be able to see it running. So this got downloaded in the downloads folder. So all I have to do is go to terminal, downloads, and node this proxy. I just have to run. And you'll be able to see this will turn into running. See, it got running. So now I can continue and I can just type. So the response came in 31 seconds. It's a bit slow here because we are running an 8 GB model. Sorry, we are running it in 8 GB instance. So if you want a better speed, so you need a larger RAM. So while customizing, you can choose more than 8, like 16 GB RAM. That will be proper because in my local when I run 16 GB, it is considerably better. Not 31 seconds. Takes something around 10 to 12 seconds, and you see the drop agents. All agents are running. File Explorer, Tools Explorer, Bit Explorer, Web Explorer, all are running. That is also part of that CloudFormation template that we ran. So that's it for the demo. This last part, whatever is pending, that I will be doing so that you don't have to download that script and run. It will be running by default.